Hi scholars! Today I'm going to take you step by step on how to draw a polar bear as you learn some great, interesting, and fun facts. Each step is provided by Drawing Wild Animals, written and illustrated by Oana Bedford and Maggie Reinbold. I pre-created a template for each step so you can follow along easily. Okay guys, let's get ready for step 1. Step 1 is to draw 3 circles. Try to proportion the body by drawing 2 large circles, the first slightly bigger than the second. Draw a smaller circle for the head. All 3 circles will intersect each other due to the perspective of the body. And here's our first fun fact. Polar bears are the world's largest terrestrial predator. They are exceptional swimmers and they have amazing sense of smell. Now on to step 2. Woo! So draw a line vertically down the middle of the head. Then you're going to draw horizontal lines for the placement of the eyes and the length of the nozzle. Draw one oval on each side of the head for the ears, and draw a few guidelines for the legs and paws. Another fun fact, polar bears live throughout the Arctic Circle and depend on sea ice as their primary habitat. Ooh-wee, it's step 3. So for step 3, we're going to refine the outline of the polar bear and the thickness of its wide, furry legs. Position the eyes and refine the muzzle and nose. You'll be surprised to learn that polar bears do not hibernate like other bears. Though pregnant females reside in dens for up to 8 months to birth and nurse their cubs. Hold the door, it's step 4. Now we'll really start to define our polar bear by slowly erasing the initial pencil lines and adding more volume to the body. We'll also throw in some suggestive lines for fur as well. And let's not forget that the bear's large paws have some grand claws. Last fun fact of the day. Despite popular belief, polar bear's fur is not white. It's actually transparent and only looks white due to the reflection of the sun on the snow. Let's finish it off with step 5. To give more dimension, add some shading. Polar bears are pure white, so representing that on paper is kind of tough. But leaving some areas white and painting only the shade areas will give you the right balance. Now there you have it. You have accomplished your own polar bear. Great job. Now go even further, add more color and more definition. And maybe even quiz yourself and see how many fun facts you've remembered from today's lesson. I hope you had fun and hopefully you learned something.